LECTURE-6.com.
Okay, we have done Hess's law. As I told you, Hess's law is very easy topic to learn, but very difficult to apply in the numericals. Now we are going to solve some numericals related to the Hess law so that you will be able to answer. Okay. Okay, here comes the first question. In this, two equations are given. How many equations are given? Two equations are given. Carbon solid plus O2 gives CO2. For this, delta H is minus X kilojoules. And 2CO plus O2 gives 2CO2. Delta H naught is minus 5. We have to find out enthalpy of formation of carbon monoxide. Okay. So options are 2x minus y by 2, y minus 2x by 2, 2x minus y minus 2x. See how confusing, and all are nearly same. Okay. So a small mistake, you may get minus 1 instead of plus 4. So try to do it carefully. If not done, or whether it is correct or not, I will explain. Okay, this question is easy, but only options are made so nearly that you may land up in the wrong answer. Okay, so let's see what is answer and how you have to get the answer. Okay, so first of all, this equation, we want enthalpy of formation of CO. So formation, you will write CO on the right side. Okay, now what you will write? CO C plus half O2. Okay, this equation we want. Carbon, from where you will get equation 1. Okay, for carbon, let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay, you have to take as equation. So, and carbon monoxide, all of you listen carefully. Okay, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is on the right side and here it is on the left side. So equation 2 divided by 1, sorry, divided by 2. Why 2? Because it is 2 mole and we want only 1 mole. Okay. So equation 1 minus equation 2 by 2. Equation 1 is value is what? Minus x. Okay. Minus y value is minus of minus y by 2. Okay. So minus of minus y by 2. So minus x plus y by 2. So it can be written as y minus x by 2. It will be y minus x by 2. So on simplifying, how much you will get? Y minus 2x by 2. Y minus 2x by 2. This is total. It is in total. Okay. Okay, here is the next question. Standard heat of combustion of propane. Standard heat of combustion of propane is minus 222 0.1 kilojoule per mole. And standard heat of vaporization of liquid water is 44 kilojoules. What is the delta H of the reaction? Here physical states are important. I have mentioned everything except here CO2 also in gaseous state. This is gas, gas and gas and gas. Okay. You can try. Okay, here are the options also. If you have perfectly tried, then you can cross check with the options. 2220.1 same. B answer is 2044.1 and D answer is 2396 2176 is the D option. See, here it is based on the fact that enthalpy of combustion is releasing. So simple one step answer if you know it properly. Okay. So minus 2220.1. But here this much energy required. Normally at STP conditions I have explained in my lecture number 2. I have explained that standard condition will be room temperature. So here water is in form of the gas. So for that also energy some more required. This much energy released, but for converting into gaseous state, for 1 mole it is 44. But we need to convert 4 moles of water into gaseous state. Therefore, plus 4 into 44. Okay, so this on simplifying whatever you get, I think B option you will get. Why is it understood now? This much energy was released, but out of this much energy, for each mole of water converting 44 kilojoules is required. Here 4 moles of water is to be converted into gas. Therefore 4 into 44. This is the expenditure. This is what we received through the combustion. So net energy released will be this much. Is it understood? Okay, in this question, value of enthalpy of solution of anhydrous. Anhydrous means without any water molecule. If copper sulfate without any water molecule dissolved in water, this much energy released. And blue vitriol, copper 2 sulfate with 5 water molecule. When dissolved, this much energy required. Question is, what is the enthalpy of dehydration of blue vitriol? That is CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Okay, see here how to solve this. Question is very simple, but enthalpy of dehydration. People are confusing about this word, dehydration. Okay, so what does it mean? I will tell you, listen carefully. See, CuSO4 dot 5H2O. This is blue vitriol. And CuSO4 aqueous. Okay, and we got CuSO4 anhydrous. Okay, anhydrous. This is solid. This one. This and this value is given. Question is this value. Question is about this value. Is it understood? This was something plus, I think. Okay. What is that value given here? It is minus 66.11 and this is plus 11.5. Okay, so subtracting these two you will get this answer, mainly dehydration. Okay, so this minus of minus 11.5, this is, let us take delta H, this is delta H1, this is delta H2. Okay, as per Hess law, delta H is equal to delta H1 plus delta H2, and delta H is given as 11.5. Delta H1 is what we want to find out. Dehydration, that means water molecule must be removed, and it is delta H2 is given as minus 66.11. So once it moves here, this will be plus. So option B is correct. So answer is 77.61. Is it understood? Here two reactions are given. Here two reactions are given. The data below refers to gaseous phase reaction at constant pressure. Constant pressure means enthalpy. First, ethane converted into ethyl and lost its one hydrogen. For that, energy required was plus 420 kilojoules. And that ethyl further lost one more H and converted into ethene. Energy required is plus 168. Question is, the enthalpy of this reaction is how much? Okay, here I have provided values also, plus 250 kilojoules plus 588 kilojoules minus 250 kilojoules plus 580 minus 588 kilojoules. Okay, very simple question. By giving all this, it appeared to be very difficult, but how simple it is, see, let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. To get this equation, see, 2 moles. For 2 moles, we have to just make it opposite and add, that's all. Okay, equation 1 minus equation 2. Automatically, you will get this answer. See, equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 2, when it is subtracted, it will be 420 minus 168. Okay, so after subtracting we will get as a 252. Okay, 252. And here the reaction itself is opposite. Okay, otherwise we can write it as a 2 minus 1. After 2 minus 1 we will get this one. Okay, equation 2 minus equation 1. 252 minus 252 kilojoules is the answer. Okay, is it understood now? This question answer is C. Very simple. Equation 2 minus equation 1, you will get the final answer. Okay, see you with the next lecture.